Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sunday the 2nd of March. Sorry I've not been uploading this year. I've been ill with long COVID. I'm just starting to come around a little bit now, so just thought I'd make the first video. It is 22 minutes past 4 in the evening, and the hedge is still looking great. Miss making my videos, really do enjoy them, making them. So we're going to have a look down here. Everything's starting to flower, which is absolutely brilliant. I have to excuse me, I'm a bit short of breath. Just one of those things. Nice little primula there. We have down here, quick view, my hollyhocks, which I absolutely love, but they do always end up with rust in my garden for some reason, so I need to spray those. But yeah, the weather here in the UK has been absolutely diabolical the last few weeks or few months. Down here we have, just coming through, some daylilies, which I absolutely adore. Some more beautiful primulas. Come round here. The lawn, the temperature's just starting to increase, so this will need cutting in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, I've been having to get some in to come and cut my garden and help me weed, which is not good. But the caterpillars absolutely adore these, as you can see, but they come back nicely. Up here, this is perennial geranium, a pink variety, which is great. Come down here, we have, just coming through, these are my peonies, just there, some daffodils, and this is probably my favourite colour with the primulas. Just look at that one there. Look at the vibrant colour of that, absolutely amazing. So yeah, forget-me-nots here, beautiful blue, lavender blue colour there. Here's my tree, that's pruned back, cut the ivy back. And then we have, in the corner here, that's my early variety peony, that's one of the old varieties. Some more forget-me-nots. This is a perennial poppy, an oriental variety, which is great. Some of them self-seeded, I don't know if you can see that there. So I'll be keen to see what colour they come through. And then we have some bluebells there, they're all bluebells. Those at the back there. Come down here, we have agapanthus that have been grown from seed there. And my memory with this long COVID is absolutely terrible. Somebody let me know what those are. I can remember them, but I can't, if you know what I mean. Fuzzy mind. We come a bit further down, we have, this is bleeding heart, dicentra, which I absolutely love. A bit further down, nice lupin, which is purple, which is great. Come a bit further down, crocus, I think. And then we have here, grown from seed, agapanthus. This is my climber, which should just be starting to come back now. Yep, starting to get some new seeds there. These are my foxgloves, which I absolutely love. But yeah, just down here the sun's just starting to set, which is absolutely amazing here. I actually have to use a walker most of the time these days, which is not nice. But yeah, come down here, even though we had a couple of frosty nights, with them being close to the house, they've all survived, the agapanthus. So yeah, hopefully in a few weeks I'm going for an injection into my spine for my back, so hopefully I'll be able to walk a little bit better then, and hopefully be able to start doing a little bit more around here. It's so frustrating not being able to get out and do anything. But yeah, just a quick walk round. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said, sorry I've not been posting any more videos. I'm not growing any seeds this year. I'm going to order everything online. Plug plants, begonia corns, Azalea tubers. I'm going to order everything online because I'm just not up to it at the moment. So hopefully we can get plenty of pots and baskets and get the garden looking amazing this summer. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden or greenhouse from my old videos, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.